In this video, I'll show you how you can report a player in League of Legends. Now, after the game, if there's someone you want to report, you can come over to your match history right here, click on the game, choose the player and right click on them, and then report. From in here you can choose why you want to report them. You can also do your teammates. Let's say they went AFK, you can do leaving the game AFK and tell them why. Now, remember, this can only last up for 5 days in your match history. So if it's a week ago, you cannot right click and report. Let me try and show you if I have some games from... Okay, I cannot show you from a week ago because I played a lot. But you can only do that after 5 days. So, or I mean up to 5 days. But simply go in here, report. Now, if you report people and they get punished, you'll get a message saying they got punished, and sometimes you'll get rewards by Riot, like keys or chests or something like that. And that's basically it, guys. Now, I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.